How to create a hidden album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Select the photos and videos you want to hide and then tap on the three dots below. Then, tap on Hide. Tap on Hide again to confirm. Now, scroll down to the Utilities section and tap on Hidden. You can view all your hidden photos and videos over here. Following these steps, you can easily create a hidden album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.